Ever wondered how ancient Greeks managed to figure out the relationship between the sides of a right-angled triangle? Well, it all goes back to a man named Pythagoras. Today we delve into the world of Pythagorean theorem, a principle that has been a cornerstone of geometry for over 2,000 years. Imagine a right-angled triangle. It's a triangle with one angle exactly 90 degrees. Now, this triangle has three sides. The longest side, opposite the right angle, we call the hypotenuse. The other two sides we'll refer to as side A and side B. Here's the magic of the Pythagorean theorem. It tells us that the square of the length of the hypotenuse is equal to the sum of the squares of the lengths of sides A and B. Put simply, if you square the lengths of side A and side B and add them up, you get the square of the length of the hypotenuse. This might sound a bit complex, but it's actually a very powerful tool. It can help us find out the length of one side of a right-angled triangle if we know the lengths of the other two sides. It's an essential tool for architects, engineers, and even artists. To put it in equation form, a squared plus b squared equals c squared, where c represents the length of the hypotenuse and a and b represent the lengths of the other two sides. This equation is the heart of the Pythagorean theorem. To illustrate this further, imagine side A is 3 units long and side B is 4 units long. Square A and you get 9. Square B and you get 16. Add these two together and you get 25. Now what's the square root of 25? That's right, it's 5, which would be the length of our hypotenuse. So, let's recap the key points of the Pythagorean theorem. It's a principle that applies to right-angled triangles. It states that the square of the length of the hypotenuse, the longest side, is equal to the sum of the squares of the lengths of the other two sides. The equation form of the theorem is a squared plus b squared equals c squared. In essence, the Pythagorean theorem is a testament to the beauty and elegance of mathematics. It's a principle that was discovered over 2 millennia ago, yet it remains relevant and widely used today. Whether you're designing a building, creating a piece of art, or even just trying to figure out the shortest path from one point to another, the Pythagorean theorem is there, providing a solid foundation for understanding the world around us.